Hey guys, welcome to Drinks with Niche. Let's make a bacon fat washed old fashioned.
So we start by infusing 90 ml of whiskey. I'm using Old Forester here. With 15 ml of bacon fat that you'll put through a sieve right into the bottle where you've poured the whiskey. You seal the bottle, give it a good shake and put it in the freezer. After about a week, take your bacon fat infused whiskey out of the freezer and get it to room temperature before straining it over ice. From here on, it's exactly like making an old fashioned. Start by pouring 20 ml of simple syrup and add 6 dashes of Angostura bitters or any aromatic bitters that you like and give it a good stir. Once your drink reaches the desired temperature, strain it over a giant block of ice. Garnish your drink with a peel of orange expressed over the rim, or you could just garnish it with bacon. And here you go, the bacon fat washed old fashioned. Yummy.